If you have a website and you are not using pixels to track what is happening on your website when you run ads, you are doing it wrong. So in this video, I'm going to be showing you exactly how to track everything that is happening on your website. People who click a certain link, people who purchase from you, people who get to your website, a lot of activities that you'll be able to track from this video that I'm going to be showing you. So welcome to my YouTube channel. This is Business NG, and we talk about Facebook ads, Instagram ads, and how you can leverage these platforms to grow your sales, grow your business, and eventually improve your visibility as well. Let's get straight into my laptop where I'm going to be showing you how this works.
All right, guys, let's get straight into creating a pixel for your website. Very simple. So I'm going to go to my business settings. You know these business settings already. To get there, you can just come here to your Meta Ads Manager, your business suite, and then you come down here that says settings, right? Just here, and then it will take you to this page. Then all you have to do is to come to data sources, look for data sets, right? Before it was pixels, but now it's data sets. So you look for data sets, and then you click on the ad here, and then you create a new data set. I've already done this. So you can just type the name and create a new data set. Once you've done that, click on the data set and then click on this three dots here to the right side, and then click on Open in Events Manager. So once you click on Open Events Manager, it should bring you to this page. Now, once you get to this page, what we want to do is to set up MetaPixel, not Conversions API. We can talk about that later, but MetaPixel is what we need. So I'm going to click on Set up MetaPixel, and then I'm going to use Install Code Manually. So I'm going to click on Install Code Manually, and then I get to copy the code here. Now, you can see what they say. The MetaPixel has two parts, the base code and the event code. So we copy the code and then paste the code into the bottom of the header section of your website. So let's do that.
All right, so we go to the settings of your backend, the WordPress backend, if you remember that. Okay, so then you go to settings and then Meta. So of course you must have installed the plugin already. If you've installed the plugin already, you activate the plugin, right? Let me just go back there to show you. So let's go to install the plugin. So just to show you, so this is the plugin. Come down here. It is called MetaPixel for WordPress. Then you see here is deactivatable. If you have not activated it, you see it is activate. So activate it. Then you go to the settings. Then it brings you here, right? So this is where we are. So all we have to do now is click on Get Started. Right. Once we click on Get Started, it will prompt us to log into our Facebook account, which is pretty much simple. So this is the Facebook account. You can see it says continue as Obianuju Mary Jane, which is what we'll do here. Continue as Obianuju Mary Jane. Then next. Right. You can see this is the business portfolio. This is the Facebook page. These things must be correct. If the Facebook page is not correct here, connect to the right Facebook page. This is the right Instagram page, the ad account. Now, it's also important that the ad account is the right one. So let's check. Okay, these are the other accounts. Let me just peep through from here to check if we are on the right ad account. It's very important. So you can see this is DRMJ. I think that should be the right ad account. But let's open it in Ads Manager to just confirm if that's the right ad account. These things are very important. So please don't miss these things. Very, very important. Okay, so let's go to the campaigns. I just want to check if this is the right ad account that my client has been using. Yeah, it seems like it. Yeah, this is the right ad account. So we'll go back to the page that we were on before, right here. Okay, so it is the right ad account. So we just click next, right? So that is the ad account. Now the pixel, what pixel is it? The pixel we just created is new opportunities pixel. If you remember when we created, so we click next here. You must choose the right things. Then once you're done, click on continue. You can confirm everything. Now advanced, automatic advanced matching. You might not want to turn that on. It's just to match website visitors to people on Facebook. Okay, it might make sense. So let's just do that. I click continue. Okay, so what WordPress allows and all that, managed, click next, just all these permissions that you need to give. So once the account is linked, we should not have any problem with this. So let's ensure that we are on the right page here. Okay, so you can see that it is linked now. It says you are all set. Now that you've connected, blah, blah, blah. So you're all set. So just click done. Okay, so once we click done, it should automatically go back to this page. Can you see? So once it is connected, this page should tell us, now it's saying connection pending. Yeah, I can see trust this site, blah, blah, blah. I agree to share my token and click confirm. So we have done all that we need to do first. So your business is connected to this Facebook. So the connection is great, right? Everything is fine. Now we need to go back to our events manager. This is our events manager. Then now, because we've done these connections, we might not even need to set up that, of course, people, the old ways, you copy this code manually and then, copy the code, paste the code, all those things would not even be needed again because we've connected the pixels using that plugin that we just did. So this might not even be needed again. So just click continue here. Turn on advanced matching, click continue. Now, let us go to the pixel. Let's add events. So let's add events. To add events, we're just going to go to the website itself. So let's go to the website. Let me just copy the website link here. All right, let's just copy here. Now, I just want to open the website for some reasons. I want to see the website, just see how it looks like. So this is the website that we're trying to track. So this is it. 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 Okay, so there's a particular page here that we want to track. So let's track, because my client has this ebook that she's trying to get people to download for free. So which is what we're running, and we want to track how many people download, how many people click on this. So to do that, let's just go back to the events manager, and then I'm going to put the website here, click add event. So automatically it is supposed to open the website and open the event tool for us. Can you see? This is exactly what we need, and this is exactly what tracking is. This is what tracking is supposed to be. So first thing, we want to track a new button, right? First thing, let's track a new button. Now, there are a lot of buttons here that we might want to track, but the one that is most important to us right now, considering the ad we're running for this my client, is this submit button. This submit button is what I want to track. So I'm going to click on it. Now I'm tracking the submit button. Then I have to select an event. The event will be lead. So if anybody clicks on the submit button, this pixel is going to recognize that person as a lead. As a lead, because of course you have submitted that thing, and then it probably will take you to another page. So let's put this person as a lead. Let's see if there's any other thing we can allocate to it. Submit application. Should we use submit application? So view content. Let's use lead. So we're going to use lead. Don't include any value. So let's click confirm. So that would be lead. So the lead event is live and is being tracked. Can you see? We did not even need to install any code to do this. So now let's see if we can track a URL. So the URL we're tracking is the website URL. So for everybody who gets to the website, we track you as something else, we track you as something else. Let's look at it. Let's say we track that person as view content. So we track you as view content because you went to the website. So ideally, don't include value and then click confirm. So now we are tracking this website URL, so we can know everybody that clicks that website. That means they viewed this content, and then when they click on the submit button, they are regarded as a lead. Now, the other thing we can try to do, let's see if it works, is I can fill in my name here. I can just fill in my name, yeah, and then fill in my email, right? Just as a sample, and just put postgraduate, then click submit. I want to see if, okay, you are redirected to a new URL. So now this new URL, I'm just trying to imagine myself as somebody who is going to fill the form. So when that person fills the form, it takes them to this new URL. So that means this person has successfully gone to that link where you see this new URL that says thank you. So this is like the thank you page. So we want to track people that get to the thank you page. So what we'll do is, there's no button here, so we'll just track a new URL. That is the thank you page. I will call this person, we can call this person complete registration. Complete registration. So everybody that is complete registration means that they've gotten to this thank you page. So we'll just click confirm, and then we have tracked that. I'm sure you're getting the flow of how things work. So once we're done with this, we just click on finish setup, and then we click on finish. So we've set up for this client, and that is exactly how that works.
At the time of creating this pixel, if you notice, it wasn't showing anything here. The events were not showing. So I just had to leave it for like 30 minutes or 1 hour. The events then started showing. So it wasn't an issue with the pixel. The pixel was fine. You can see it here. So this is the first event, which is the page view. So that is for people who visit the actual, you can see here, events match quality is about 6.3 over 10, 27. We received 27 in the last 30 minutes, 27 events in the last 30 minutes. This is the view content. So basically, view content will probably be the people who go to the website link. I think that should be view content. So this is it. We received 4 in the last 3 hours, and then complete registration, we received 1. So these are the people that get to the thank you page. We received 1 in the last 3 hours.
All right, so I hope you've learned something from this video. Now you know how you can set up your Facebook pixel, the tracking, how it works. Please share this video with somebody who needs this, and also give this video a thumbs up, and also please remember to subscribe to my YouTube channel. It means a whole lot to me. Thank you so much for all the support thus far. Thank you so much. If there are topics or questions you have or topics you would like me to talk about, please leave them in the comment section. I'm going to be trying to create these videos as much as I can. I'll see you guys in another video.